right, here we go. Abby Happy. What's going on here? You got a Cardo Pack Talk. Very nice. Ooh, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What happened, Abby? Stressed? Yeah, look a little stressed. Are you hurt? Can you pick up your bike?
Thank you. Thank you. I'm okay. I'm good.
You can hear the stress in her voice.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Just
Like, what happened?
Are you okay? Your legs?
Yeah, yes, I have. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much.
So, Doodle did like how to pick up bikes and stuff. Highly recommend you watch it because she does it the correct way.
Okay, I'm good, really.
You have,
Yeah, I'm okay.
you have your leg or your...
No, I'm
Look at
good.
these guys. It's just a simple drop. It looks like, yeah, just a simple drop. How did that happen, though? Oh, this dumb guy. All right. So we're coming up to here. Something mechanical had to have happened. Canopy junkie, I have no idea. The chain broke, something locked up. There was nothing in their way. It didn't look like it was a braking issue. Either way, it fell over. Learn how to pick it up. And if you're hurt and you can't pick it up, perfect, fine. Leave the bike on the ground. Not a big deal. Let's take a look at this, Mr. M1000R.
While overtaking,
Ooh, look at the road. A little bit of snow. Watch out for black ice.
lost control of the bike.
Slow it down on these corners. Ooh. Slip and slide time. Slip and slide. Thankfully, if you are going to crash, you slide on ice. That's what it was. Take it easy on these things. Take it easy. I know there's ice and snow on a turn, but if you slow it down to keep your bike more upright, hey, this is how you pick it up. This is exactly what I was talking about. And he's going to have help because, I would if you have the opportunity. Have the side stand down. I think the guy just put it down.
You can let it come.
Perfect. That was great. Yeah, keep it as upright as possible. So when we were talking about slow speed maneuvers, you can go fast. So like Moto Gymkhana guys, oh, I love it. I want to actually take a Moto Gymkhana class or visit. There's a guy up in Phoenix. Anyways, hardcore, into it, lean into these curves or into these turns around cones. But then when we talk about the Smart Rider drills, we do stuff like this. The goal is to do it slow. You can do it fast. You can do it however you want. But if you want to do it slow, one of the things that you can do is kind of keep the bike upright and use that rear brake and just do the head and eye movement. But the goal is to keep the bike as upright as possible and make these turns. You don't have to do crazy counterbalancing. You don't have to lean super hard into it. But if you keep it upright and just kind of look and turn, that's a great practice for situations like this when you're going around corners. Because if you slow it down, you keep the bike more upright. You have more traction. Suspension works better. Everything. But overall, terrible situation. It's ice. I mean, wear full gear. Lift the bike like that. Perfect. All right, let's move on. Angel or not, don't get pissed. Don't get pissed at that car driver. We have a minivan with lights on. Or the lights behind us. That's a terrible space. Thankfully, we're only going 10. So you're maintaining space cushions. Oh, there's an open lane pattern. Yeah, open lane pattern. Open lane pattern. Be very careful with those. Be very careful with those. What do we have here? We have no gear and a blurred situation. What did we... MotoStars is getting to the point... I mean, I get it. It's getting to the point where we can't even tell what's happening. He's honking. I want to see what his notifications are. Okay. So, what happened? So he's slipping and sliding. A deer or a dog? Probably, because MotoStars has been blurring out the animals. Okay, that makes sense.
I hope
So a deer jumped out. That sucks.
will help you understand the importance of organized group riding. A minor misunderstanding between bikers was enough to end
Got a
the
beard hair in my
ride in
mouth.
an unpleasant way.
Okay, so this right here is just chaos at this point. It's chaos. Okay. Oh, is he not getting up? That's a deer. His hind legs were blurred. Okay. So we're passing all these people. I get it. I get it. That makes sense. Okay, so this is kind of what happened here. So the guy that crashed, or the rider that crashed, is this one. Super far into that left lane. You notice how when everyone's passing, they're kind of like staying on still in the lanes. This guy's taking a massive risk. Massive risk. Because it's around a blind corner, and as soon as he gets around that corner, that car comes out, so he's having to shoot towards his lane. So in the middle, here's the thing, in the middle of a corner, you're shooting towards the outside to avoid something. Where are you going? You're shooting towards the outside. Well, what's towards the outside at this point? There's cars. So he slams the brakes. It looks like he endos because he was going to run into a car. So if we're on the, he had to like swerve. If he was just doing what everyone else does, he wouldn't have had to do that. But a little bit of ego. You can barely see it right there. You can see like the butt of him. It's like the underside of the bike right there. It's hard to see. I get it. I get it. So he's up and over. Dumps the bike. He falls down. High mechanism injury. So think about spinal cord and traumatic brain injuries here, guys. Clear shot of the rear hooves in the one frame. Is he getting up? So this is time to rescue. Time to rescue. Stop any external bleeding. Stop major bleeds, guys.
Call the ambulance as soon as possible.
Perfect. So when we're talking about after a moto crash, this is the rescue car that you get when you buy a rescue pack from the store. It's our trauma kits. But remain calm. So you either call 911 or tell someone to call 911. He's doing it right there. He's telling someone to call 911. Now, if you're in a big group ride and you just yell it out, hey, somebody call 911, nobody's going to call 911. But if you're like, hey, Jeff, call 911. Now everyone knows Jeff is supposed to do it. And Jeff now knows he needs to do it. Okay? Ensure your own safety. Everyone pulled off to the side. Very good. You don't want to get hit too. You don't want to have multiple people in the incident. Stop any major bleeds. We have tourniquets, 5x9s, 4x4s, roll gauze, everything in our trauma kits. But you want to stop any major bleeds because those are the things that are preventable deaths. Lots of people die just because of blood loss when they could have just been saved by stopping that blood loss, and then surgery and everything else at the hospital can finish the job. Quickly assess the severity here. This is the backside of the card. Head injury symptoms. Guy wasn't getting up. I don't know if he wasn't getting up or what, but if I crash into the road, I don't want to be in the road anymore. So if I was conscious, alert, I didn't have any pain or whatever it was, and I can self-extricate, self-rescue out of the road, I will. Guy wasn't doing that. Not good. So just an initial assessment, I'm thinking head or spine injuries. Not good at all. So we have to stop any external bleeding and lay him down. Let's see what happens. I paused it because I think that was good that he was calling 911. So go around the corner. Also, how you doing, Patrick? So go around the corner also and have send Jeff number 2. You know, it's like, I don't know. Jeff is a fun name. Go around the corner and start doing this to people. Now, thankfully, there's cars already kind of like around the corner. And if somebody's driving around that corner and they see cars, like, oh no. You know what I mean? It's like, what's this? What's going on? And hopefully they'll slow down.
He took a savage turn. I can't believe he did that.
Okay, we're gonna get the bike out of the road. We have people tending. I'm sorry. We have people tending to the motorcycle rider and then getting the bike out of the road. That's fine. Can't have 20 people on the patient.
Yeah, they were calling. I got no reception now.
He's still not getting up.
At least my shit's busy. Oh, god damn.
This is why I keep my rescue pack in my backpack when I go riding. All right, that sucks, man. Joe Lawrence, here we go. Pleasant ride in the French countryside. Interesting. Look at the road surface hazards. You got some mud, possibly. Watch out for the mud. Hey, this happens all the time in Yuma. This happens all the time in farm communities. Just gotta be careful. Just gotta be careful. Did a good job. He's cleaning up. Go around.
White, good job. You couldn't wait, good job. What? Good job. Oh, you could have just waited for us to go past. Oh, man.
Oh, okay. Moving on. You can move out of the way. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. The emotion, the guy's a big child. All right, you don't fight kids, guys. Oh, no. Oh, that's his jacket on the ground. I thought that was his body. I thought that was his body. It's like the cops, people are standing around. Like I thought this was a body right here. Thought this was the helmet. Like half of this is his upper body. I don't know. What am I thinking? Yeah, that's a terrible situation. It's after the incident. People are walking around. What do you think happened there? Look at this. Take a look. Take a look. How did that happen? Right? So here's everyone coming around the corner, right? Probably having some fun, a little bit of speed. Maybe there's something on the ground, some road surface hazards, right? So we're coming around here, and then all of a sudden, right here on the outside. Probably too fast for the turn. Probably too fast for the turn. Whoa, we're missing pieces. All right, Moto Gamer, here we go. Fingerless gloves, interesting choice, buddy. Lost a little traction there, a little butt packer, jeez. Pucker factor, not butt packer. Can we edit that part out? No? It's live? We can't even edit out for when people watch it afterwards? Okay, I guess we'll leave it in. Adam Jones, here we go. Side of the vehicle. Slow it down, move over. Not a big deal. Handled it. I like the jacket. That's a Revit jacket, right? It looks like it. All right, Soy Capitan. Oh, weird. Interesting choice. All right, side of the giant low pressure tanker truck. Okay. Handled it. ZJ Rides 117. Whoa, buddy. I thought it was going to be the Prius. I thought I was going to... Butt packer, leave it in. Oh, jeez. You guys are inappropriate. You guys need to calm down. You guys need to calm down. You guys are very inappropriate. Stop giggling over there in the corner. I see you. I see you. Okay? Stop eating those crayons. Come on now. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, I thought it was going to be the Prius. So anyway, somebody's switching lanes. Okay, cool. So this is where that emergency acceleration comes into play. The thing is you don't want to run into them. So emergency acceleration, let's see if we can get a better view. Exactly, that's what I was going to say. So take a look. So he emergency accelerated and swerved. So he was maintaining his space cushion. So that's very good positioning for safety, located hazardous situation, assessed that person was a relevant threat, and navigated, accelerated and moved. Space cushions and emergency maneuvers. Dude, ZJ Rides 117 is good job, dude. Good job. Good job. Yeah, you do whatever you want. Middle of a turn. Okay, whatever.
I realized that his reg is his car. He's got whatever.
You didn't see that. You didn't see that. I was about to say, what's the pattern here?
I realized that his reg
What's the pattern? You see all the lights
is
kind of stacked up, right?
car.
It's kind of blurry, but there you go. You see all the lights stacked up. What's the left lane doing? It's moving. What's the right lane doing? Not moving. Right? What could happen? What's the pattern?
He's got a whatever.
There it is. Ollie, open lane pattern, right?
What are you doing?
Yeah, thumbs down hurt more than the finger. Yes. Your dad's like disappointed in you is worse than him yelling at you. Right? That's if you respect your father. But yeah, thumbs down. Open leg pattern. Very nice. Butt packing pattern. Okay, Brian. Side of the vehicle coming up. Get into a better position for safety. Very good. Slow it down and maintain your space cushion. Accelerate if you wanted to. Cool. Now you have a better space cushion in front. Handled it. Good job. Oh, you're welcome, MotoStars. Thank you for having such a great video. This was a 30-minute video, but I'm actually going to cut it in half. So for those of you who are watching this after the fact, it's 15 minutes. With that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe. Hit that subscribe button. Check out MotoStars. That's the video up there, episode 504. And I'll be seeing you guys later.